LACHI Beans Peeler app enables you to shop conveniently for the revolutionary LACHI Beans Peeler on your mobile device. Open the app, and on the main page, select a LACHI product to purchase. Click the button, Add to Cart. Click on the button, See how it works, to view videos on how LACHI Beans Peeler is used for various recipes like bean pudding and bean cake from brown beans, soy milk from soya beans, and hummus from chickpeas. You will also see how to use LACHI Beans Peeler to pound yam, pound unripe plantain, peel palm fruits for bunga soup, and mix dough. It comes with a blender and a dry grinder to handle tough ingredients. You can edit the quantity of items required, and click the button, Add to Cart, to update your order. Click on the button, Continue Shopping, to add more products from the main page. Select the quantity required and Add to Cart. Click on Basket to see your cart. If you need to edit the quantity, click on the line item and choose to edit quantity. Ensure to click the button Add to Cart to update the record, and click Basket to return to your cart. You may also remove an item completely if it's no longer required. When done, click on the button Next, Delivery Address, and input your details for delivery. Click the button View Summary of Cost to view summary of your order and the cost. Click on Place Order Now to proceed to payment page on PayStack secure platform. You are now one step away from making healthy meals, fresh, faster, and stress-free.